Hi everyone, I'm back for Module 4 Google AI Ecosystem. This is the part 2. In part 1 we talk a little bit about using Canvas, and today we're going to focus on something that's coming a lot in social media, which is using AI in spreadsheets. The one thing that I just learned is that you have to have a pro account. If you try to do it in your, at least in Germany, in your normal account, it's not possible right now. You have to pay for a pro account. You can have a 1 month for free and try it. So that's something to know. Here I have a test for how it works. You can define something like a list of, I don't know, random fruit that I put vegetables there. You can do many things here. And the most important thing is that there's this new command AI, which lets you write anything at prompt and then specify a range to do. For example, find the fruit in this list. Then you give the list A1 to A19. Forgot you don't put semicolon, and then you get it, right? You get these ones are the fruits: tomatillo, kumquat, dragon fruit, mangosteen, kiwano. From this list, this is what AI is giving you now. You can do more things like grading. Kohlrabi, for example. You could say translate to Spanish. A5. And then it will translate it to you. That's the biggest thing that you can get from spreadsheets. It's great. You can create tables. There are more things. If you click here, it can give you options that you can do: creating tables, formulas, data analysis, building charts and graphs, summarizing information, performing sheet actions, reducing. So all of this can be done. If you have more questions, you can get access here, examples for doing it. But this is basically what you can do with Excel. Is great. You can. One thing that I read that was really interesting is if you make a survey, the Google surveys usually they land in Excel at some point. So you could have a survey from someone that said, I was not feeling great at the camp, and I'm not sure I will come back. Let's say you have some kind of summary here. One thing that I found really cool is you can use something like do a sentiment analysis from A43. And this way it evaluates what is the survey, the sentence. It tells you if it's negative or positive. Now imagine you have 1,000 responses in a survey. You can see which one are negative and positive. So it's really small, but I think it's worth it to mention how powerful it is to have AI integrated in spreadsheets. Of course, you can just copy this and put it, do a copy paste here. Right. Oh. And then do a sentiment analysis of the previous sentence. You can also do that, and you will get something a little bit more clear, a little bit more of what you wanted. But if you have a lot of them, so it's a really nice tool to have in the spreadsheets. If you want to know what else you can do, you can usually ask, can I do with AI in spreadsheets from Google? And then you can get a lot of information with examples and everything. But this is the major thing, AI thing. All right, so that was short. Let me show you another thing that is happening a lot, which is this banana model that is coming from everywhere. So let's go to the nano banana. It's everywhere also in social media right now. What is Nano Banana is image editing, but apparently this is like the coolest thing ever. Many things can change. You can change colors. It understands better the context. You can mix things, mix image, combine your photos. As you can see, it is more powerful than ever, and many people are liking it. Let's try it to see if it's what they see. I downloaded an image. I created an image, which is already here to save some time. I created with Gemini. And then let me show it here. This first describe the image to see if it can analyze the image. It was generated by the algorithm. Yeah, pretty good. Sitting on the couch. Can you change the color of her outfit to be red? I'm not going to be specific, just want to test if it... As you can see, it works, but it's not perfect. You see, this is the thing that you see always, like everything works in social media, is perfect, and when you try it yourself, like what is happening? It's not exactly what you wanted. But that's why I'm testing this. Can you put the person in another scene? Maybe in a cinema. It's still impressive. It gets a lot of credits, and once you start using it, you realize that it's not exactly what you wanted. And here it works. Yeah, she moved it a little bit tricky. Can you show her face? The thing that's amazing is that's really quick. Previously, you had to wait like 30 seconds at least in ChatGPT to get it done. In this case, it's quite fast. But didn't work. So this is some of the things that's okay. Can you make me an image of a person close up showing the face smiling? Let's try something different. A new image. I want to close up to be able to test some stuff, because it says that you can now give me an image of a costume. Let's say from a rabbit. Let's see. You know what I want to try, right? I want to see if you can mix both things. Okay. Now make a combine, find both images. Want the lady in the rabbit costume. Again, it says it can do it. Of course, it's not magic, but let's see what happens. What can I say? It's not exactly what you will be expecting from. So don't let yourself be tricked by this. It's still not there yet. It's still impressive. And you give me the bunny only in another color and add another person next to it. It works. Let's see if you can remove things. Can you remove the face of the women? Again, of course, I'm not doing it perfectly with some training, but that's not the idea. The idea is like they are promising this, they are showing you this, so this is what you are expecting. Let's see, reimaging this character in the style of the 90s, like this, like they put, right? And I'm trying exactly the same thing they were saying here. Sitcom. I did put sitcom character. Nothing really changed. Colors are different. Okay, depends on the images. Create an image of a full texture. Let's see if what they're saying, can I do a trace from the color for texture? Right now I have an image of a texture. I'm gonna download it. I'm gonna create a new chat to try to have, let's see if it was something new. Create address from this texture. It understood the task, and yeah, so you can see it's not bad. I think it's a good design. I like it. Now, what do you need in order to do better results? You can read here in their formula how to do it. Try it. Create an image of a cat napping on a zombie in a Windows wheel. Be specific with as much detail as you can dream. Take compositions that image quality into consideration. So it's not just writing like I've been doing it. You have to be more specific, and then you will be able to create things that are there for you. Okay, so that was this famous Nano Banana. And now we will go to the last part, which is your emails. For the emails, I want to create a small example. Again, you need to pay, so unfortunately, there's nothing you can do about it. If you don't pay, well, they have to make some money some way. This would be the message. You can see already that it helps you write something. An email to invite my friends to a party at my home. You can also write the suggestion and insert. You can insert it. Okay, then you insert it, and then you can put things. I think it's nice, but I also can put it just in Google Gemini and then copy paste it. So I don't know how useful would it be. Probably if you have many emails, it would be faster. In order to give a little bit more about what Gmail can do, Gemini in Gmail, I asked ChatGPT because the example I gave was not enough. So this can do many things. Summarize email threads. If you're at work, probably you have these big long emails where people are complaining, and then you have 50 responses and you have no idea what was it about. So this is great. It will summarize your email threads. You can draft emails, suggest replies, refine your writing. Finding information is something really nice. You can search it, although I didn't mention it, but you can search for emails already. So you have to connect your account, but you can say it, put here my last 2 emails. I don't know. So it's, as you see, it connects to my workspace. It's reading. This is an example of you can actually access your emails and search them. The search is not great. I tried, and you can find some easy stuff. Still, complex things maybe will come in the future. You can get information about Google Calendar events. So you also can connect with your events, your calendar. You can generate images also included there. I don't know what, but that's something you can do with Gemini in Gmail. And I think that's all for today. It's already like 15 minutes. Hope you enjoy. Just to summarize what we did today, we saw using AI. Your email, we saw really quick using Nano Banana and using AI in spreadsheets.